Eating disorders, 5 warning signs to be aware of. 1. Withdrawing from family or friends. People with eating disorders may withdraw from social situations that cause stress or anxiety. They might isolate themselves by avoiding social functions or activities they typically enjoy. 2. Change in eating habits. Individuals with eating disorders may exhibit a change in their eating habits. This can include eating alone, hiding food, eating slowly, or cutting and separating food into tiny pieces. They might fixate on food and recipes while restricting their own food intake. These changes can also manifest as eating when not hungry, eating to the point of discomfort, and experiencing negative emotions like depression, disgust, or guilt after a meal. 3. Body insecurity. Those with eating disorders often struggle with negative or obsessive thoughts related to their body size and shape. They may obsess over calorie and fat content in food. This concern about body image can affect both women and men, with men worrying about their muscularity and feeling the need to either bulk up or lose weight. 4. Increased focus on body weight or shape. People with eating disorders tend to focus excessively on dieting or weight loss. This might lead to a strict or excessive exercise routine, even when injured or fatigued. They may persistently worry about being overweight or feel the need to lose weight. 5. Changes in appearance. Significant or unusual weight loss or fluctuations can be one of the most obvious warning signs. Individuals with eating disorders may deny having a low body weight. Other physical signs can include puffy cheeks, knuckle calluses from vomiting, hair loss, dry hair or skin, sensitivity to cold, absent or irregular menstruation, excessive facial or body hair, unusual sleep patterns, and feelings of faintness or fatigue.